Hi, if you are an e-commerce store and selling home improvement items like curtains, bed sheets, pillow, carpet, etc. and hiring an expensive mockup setup to showcase your product, then today I have come up with two excellent AI tools where you can put on your products and create a lifestyle scenes out of it and generate high quality images for your websites or social media pages. So let's see how you can do it. So we have two tools. One is Chatgpt and second is Sellerpic. So let's start with Sellerpic. So you can find the tools link in the description. Go there, click on it, and after you can click on start free trial and then simply sign in using your Google account. This is the dashboard of Sellerpic. It's a powerful e-commerce tool where you can do a lot of things. On the right hand side, you will see several features like Instruct Edit, AI Model Image, AI Editor and AI Video Tool. I have made several tutorials on some of the features. Check out those video links in the description. In this video, we are going to visualize a bed sheet by creating a lifestyle scene. So let me show you how to do it. From the dashboard, go to the AI product image, the section you can find on the right hand side. Click on it and then click on lifestyle scene. In the center, you will see an upload box. Here you need to upload your bedsheet image. After uploading, move to the right side. You will see two options, prompt and image. Using the image option, you can generate lifestyle scenes directly from another image. But in this tutorial, we'll use the prompt method. So click on prompt method and inside the box, enter the prompt. So I created the prompt, just pasting it here. The prompt you can also find in the description. You can also manually set the image resolution and choose the format based on your e-commerce platform like eBay, Amazon, Shopify, etc. After setting everything up, click on generate button and in few seconds or minutes, your image will be generated. Check the before and after result. Looks good, right? So don't expect on the first time you will get the perfect image. In that case, you have to change or modify a bit of description about the scene and try it again. So after multiple times, you will find the perfect image. Now we are going to use Chatgpt to create a lifestyle scene. Let's see how to do it. First open Chatgpt, click on plus icon at the bottom and upload your bedsheet image. Then in the prompt box, type in how you want the lifestyle scene to look. I have already written my prompt and pasting it here. You can also find the prompt in the description. Now I'll press enter and within few moments, Chatgpt will generate a stunning lifestyle scene for our product. And here it is, the before and after result from Chatgpt. It also looks good, right?
Yes, 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 yes.
So hopefully you found this video helpful and make sure you hit that like button, subscribe my channel and share this video with your all product photographers. See you in the next one.